Introducing video preferences. Begin with your idea, select your video goal, choose your platform, and decide on your tone. Then select your video size and desired length, then generate your script. After reviewing and editing your script, you'll now see the new video preferences button. This is where you can tell Pictory exactly how you'd like your videos created before generation begins. You can choose your preferred visual sources, including stock media, AI Studio images, or AI Studio videos. You can add stock preferences and AI keywords to help guide the visuals and better match your content. You can also select your narration preferences, including AI voices, add in your favorite avatar, or no narration at all. And if you have specific branding requirements, you can apply a brand kit and customize additional settings to match your workflow. Video preferences help improve first draft quality, reduces setup time, and gives you more control over your videos by capturing your intent early in the creation process. A new way to create videos faster and get better results from the very start.